Hey subbies! Before we get started on today's video, I would love it if you would follow me on my social media. I will have it linked here on the screen, my Instagram and my Twitter. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. And I would really love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Hey subbies! What I'm wanting to share with you today is a very emotional topic. I am wanting to share with you guys the reality of bullying being brutal. Bullying is a horrible act that goes on in honestly any aspect of your life. It can be in the workplace, it can be online, it can be in a public setting there, such as a pool or an arcade. It's a sad reality there that people can be bullied. It's a horrible event there that happens, and it's awful there that anybody here in society can be a victim of bullying. I am wanting to share with you guys some wonderful advice there when it comes to being bullied. The wonderful advice that I have to share with you guys is that anybody can also overcome bullying there. You can just simply ignore the bully because they're wanting a reaction out of you. The more they try to get under your skin, the more they try to interact with you to get that reaction of anger, sadness, any type of negative reaction they're trying to get out of you, the more they see that they're able to get you to react to what they're saying or doing, the more they will feel empowered because of them getting the reaction there that they're trying to get out of the person that they're bullying. Do not let a bully get to you. Simply ignore them, because you are giving them power there when you are responding to them in the way that they're trying to get the person that they're bullying to respond. Another wonderful tip there when it comes to bullying is you can also talk to someone there that you're comfortable with. Talk to a friend, talk to a family member, talk to a counselor. There are people who are here to help you, and they will help you, not simply because it is their job to help you, but simply because it is amazing to help people, because one person can make a difference in the calming of a situation there. If you talk to a therapist or a counselor there, they can give you some wonderful tips there, and just being able to vent, being able to relax there because of being comfortable talking to someone there can make a world of difference. It's sad there that people can be bullied doing things that they enjoy. It's a really sad situation that people can get bullied when they're playing online video games. They're just simply because people feel that if they are hiding behind a screen or a computer monitor, that they have all this wonderful power there to be able to bully people. It is very sad there that people can feel empowered simply because they are not interacting with someone face to face to make it easier for them to bully people. The important thing is not to let bullying or bullies get to you, because you don't want to give someone the satisfaction of feeling empowered from getting a reaction out of somebody that they've been trying to get. You don't want that. You want to be empowered. You want to be able to stand up for yourself and be able to successfully overcome these horrible situations there that happen in day-to-day life. I'm hoping there that by sharing this information there that you guys can also overcome bullying, because as we know, bullying is brutal. I really hope that you guys learned from this video and enjoyed watching it, because I'm really happy to be sharing these tips for you so you guys can be more aware of the reality of bullying. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Subbies.